We have a power failure right now because of the wind, so I'm checking it out. I'm on my balcony. Power's out right now in the apartment. Can't use the computer. Fuck, hate that. But anyway, it looks pretty windy out. Leaves all over the place. Somebody across the street. Don't know if I can see him. Well, I can hardly see him on the video. Anyway, pretty windy out. Oh, fuck. Went off. Looks like a sign blown down over there. Don't know if you can see it on here. Huh. Oh, the wind's starting to die down a bit, it looks like. Oh, no, there it goes again. Oh, you see it mostly in the leaves. Pretty windy out. Whoa. Yeah, look at that tree swaying in the fucking breeze. Look at that. Wind's about 50 kilometers an hour, maybe 60. There's warnings not to go outside if you don't need to. Of course, everyone's out. Vehicles going by all over the place. Maybe I'll go for a bit of a walk. Wind's not going to disturb much in my apartment. Fuck. It's a bit cool out here. At least it's not raining, but it was wet, so it was raining. There's the side entrance. I don't have my keys, but I can just go back on the balcony. Fuck, it's breezy out here. It's too cold around the corner. See people walking. You can see the wind blowing, the breeze. Looks pretty wild. Not too bad. Tree blowing in the breeze. Another one quite a bit. Let's get another look at that. There's that tree. I don't want to watch people because I get paranoid. Like these guys, how they're just walking by. Bye. Anyway. And that's about it. For the breezy weather, we got no power. It's a little time now. Fuck. Getting tired of it. I want to play my freaking game. Don't want to smoke all my weed and what? Just put up with no power? It sucks. Anyway. Look at the leaves going by on the street. Oh, there goes the wind. The wind's pushing the leaves. That wasn't caused by the car. Anyway, well, we'll check out this film later. Check out the film.